today we are doing a little run from Ace Cafe in London through to Krazy Horse in, well, just north of Oxford. It's Krazy Horse Farm House, and I'm hoping the weather's going to last, but you never know. So I think it'll take a couple of hours to get there. It's not too far. It's about, I don't know, 80 odd miles. And I'm going to try and find some nice roads to get there. Bit of exploring. Only problem leaving from here, as you can see, is the traffic. So I'm hoping that we'll be able to get around a lot of it quite quickly, but we will have to see. I'll just follow you for a bit. Yeah, okay. So I've got a general route to Krazy Horse, but I'm not sure how to avoid the motorways, because the ride command system doesn't allow you to do that unless you plan a route. So this is something I've done last minute, so I don't have anything like that set up. So I'm just going to follow Jess a bit. I'm heading up the A40 now. So there's still a lot of, dirt and rubbish on the road. So this is not too bad, a little road. I'm a bit worried about my tire pressures at the moment. It just feels, the bike doesn't feel right. And the rear tire pressure isn't showing up on the bike. I'm not sure why that is. Something just doesn't feel right. Can we stop at the next garage? I think there's a problem with my rear tire. Just want to check it. My rear tire pressure sensor has started working again, and it seems to be okay. Perhaps it's just all the muck on the road that's been causing the issue. This is gorgeous. I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear the audio because I'm doing a little bit of speed. another very beautiful stretch. Again, the roads don't see a huge amount of sun here, so it's absolutely treacherous underneath with a little bit of mud. So you've got moisture and mud mixed in, and if you're not careful, you're going to see your arse. So trying to find the dry spot with no mud in it is the game. It's past Oxford. Yeah. I'll just follow the A40 for as far as it makes sense, I think. So we're in the home stretch now. It's about 14 miles left to go. And the next bit of road I think is going to be quite nice. I haven't come in from this angle before, but I'm looking forward to it. Another really nice town. Quite a historic town as well. Really old buildings. Some of these towns in Middle England are really amazing, really. So much history. Sand and damp water underneath. It's quite beautiful around. Definitely the best part of the ride so far. So it looks like I might need an off-road bike in a minute. Some of these roads can be quite sketchy. Oh, a bit slippery underneath.